Hi, I'm Joe from Bamboo Sorcery, and today I want to talk to you about controlling the height of your bamboo. A little background information might be helpful. Most people don't understand that all new growth with bamboo is from the ground up seasonally. With running bamboo, which we're going to look at today, it typically shoots in the spring. The existing canes that you already have already done their growing, and if you've topped them at a certain height, they're not going to continue to grow. So yearly you'll be dealing with the new growth. Let's go look at some new shoots so you can see what that looks like. So here's a running bamboo that's well into its shooting. You can see the new growth here beginning to leaf out. It still has the culm sheaths that are going to fall off. This is the old growth. So you can see, quite a significant height increase here. We're not going to prune these because they're not ready. If you prune them too early, they're going to be very unhappy. So you want to wait until they're fully leafed out. But we can control the height of these by pruning, and I'm going to show you on a bamboo grove that's ready. So here's an established container of Philostachys aurea, commonly called golden or hedge bamboo. We keep this pretty short here, but you can see there's some new growth that's really tall, and we want to take care of that and keep it at the same height as the other. So here's what I like about bamboo. Do I need a ladder to prune this? Nope. I'm going to find that cane. And I'm going to slowly walk it down, kind of bending it as I go. And I'm going to take this right above a branching fork and I'm going to clip it. You don't want to cut it here because you're going to have a dead stick when it dies back. And then to make it look a little more natural, I'm going to side prune it, give it the old taper cut, prune off some of this growth so it doesn't look so topped. Always pruning right above a fork. Let's get this one here. And then, I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to let it go and tuck it back in. How'd I do? Yeah, maybe a little tall, but not bad. Let's take a little more off. Let's take two more sections off here. Okay, that's a little better. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little side pruning because this is kind of sticking out in the doorway. So similar thing, find a branch, cut it right above the fork, tuck it back in. That's kind of, you're a little bit of a barber here. Anything that's sticking out in your way. The nice thing with these hedging type bamboos is they're so dense that it's pretty easy to trim them without making them look funny. So there you see how easy it is to really keep bamboo at any height you want. You really only have to do it once a year, typically in the fall after the shoots are done, doing their shooting, branching and leafing. And next time we'll talk to you about more maintenance, particularly thinning and pruning to keep your grove open and airy. Thanks. Check back with us.